Okay, you ready? Go to upgrades and the engine and max out everything and the intake, max out that, and the exhaust, max out that also, and blower, max out that also. And the transmission is max out also. All of that max out, and max out the front brakes and the rear brakes and the front suspension, max out that, all of that also. And roll cage, max out that, and the wheelie bar, don't max out that, and this the next wheelie bar is don't max out that, and the red car is don't max out that, just 3, and don't max out the parachute, and don't max out the nitros tuning and the launch fuel timing and boost, don't max out that, and the tires slick and 31, and the size is 31, and the weight is 18, and the button and the weight is 25, and 9, and 18. This is the important part. The transmission. Look at that, guys. Okay, and 50 and 50, and that and that and that and that